Have you ever looked up at the night sky and felt awe? There's something magical about those moments when the world quiets down and the stars begin to twinkle above us. The moon, in particular, has always captured our imagination, its gentle glow lighting up the darkness, inspiring stories, dreams, and wonder for generations. This August 2025, the Sturgeon Moon is set to deliver a rare celestial double feature. It's not just another full moon. It's a unique event that brings a sense of excitement to skywatchers everywhere. The Sturgeon Moon is named after the giant sturgeon fish, which were most readily caught during this time of year in North America, and its arrival is always a highlight of the summer. For 2 nights in a row, you'll see what looks like a full moon rising at sunset, a cosmic encore you won't want to miss. This rare occurrence happens because the moon's full phase will be visible on both nights, creating a breathtaking spectacle that's perfect for making memories with loved ones. Mark your calendars for August 19th and 20th. These are the nights when the Sturgeon Moon will shine its brightest, offering a perfect opportunity to pause, look up, and connect with the universe. It's the perfect chance to gather friends and family for a backyard skywatching adventure. Imagine sharing stories, sipping hot chocolate, and feeling the cool night air as the moon rises above the horizon. Whether you're with a crowd or enjoying a quiet moment alone, the experience is sure to be unforgettable. You don't need fancy equipment, just a clear view, a comfy spot, and your curiosity. Bring a blanket, some snacks, and maybe a pair of binoculars if you have them. The most important thing is to be present and let yourself be amazed by the beauty above. This guide will show you why this Sturgeon Moon is so special, when to watch, and the stories behind its name. We'll explore the science of lunar phases, the cultural traditions that surround the full moon, and the fascinating history of moon watching through the ages. We'll also share tips to make your moon watching unforgettable. From the best times to look up, to fun activities you can do with kids, and even how to capture stunning moon photos with your phone, you'll be ready for an amazing night under the stars. The Sturgeon Moon isn't just a bright light. It's a shared experience that connects us to people across the world and through history. No matter where you are, you'll be looking at the same moon as countless others, just as people have done for thousands of years. So get ready to look up and discover the magic of our closest celestial neighbor. Let your sense of wonder guide you, and see the night sky with fresh eyes. Learning about the moon's phases helps us understand our place in the solar system. Each phase tells a story about the dance between the Earth, Moon, and Sun, a cosmic rhythm that has shaped calendars, cultures, and even our sense of time. The Sturgeon Moon is a reminder that we're part of something much bigger. Its light has inspired poets, scientists, and dreamers, and it continues to bring people together in awe and appreciation. Let's begin our journey to this spectacular double night show and get ready to experience the wonder of the Sturgeon Moon together. Have you ever wondered how it's possible to see a full moon for 2 nights in a row? It might seem like a bit of lunar magic, but there's a fascinating astronomical reason behind this special treat. The moon is only officially full for a single instant, when it's positioned exactly opposite the sun in the sky, with Earth in between. This alignment is precise, and the moment passes in a flash, even though the moon appears full to our eyes for much longer. In August 2025, that exact moment of fullness happens on August 19th at 2:47 p.m. Eastern Time. But here's the catch. At that time, the moon is actually below the horizon for viewers in North America, hidden from sight in the afternoon sky. That's why, when you look up at moonrise on both the night before and the night after, the moon will look almost perfectly full. You get to enjoy 2 breathtaking moonrises at sunset, each one lighting up the evening with silvery brilliance. On August 19th, the moon will be illuminated at 99.8%. So close to full that the difference is impossible to spot without special equipment. On August 20th, it's still at 99.6% illumination. To the naked eye, both nights will look identical, with the moon shining round and bright, almost as if time has stood still. It's a bit like celebrating a birthday, not just at the exact minute you were born, but all day long. The full moon's beauty lingers, giving us more time to enjoy its glow. This rare timing means you have 2 golden opportunities to catch the magic. It's perfect for families, friends, or anyone who loves spending warm summer evenings outdoors, sharing the wonder of the night sky. On both nights, the moon will rise in the east, just as the sun sets in the west, painting the sky with a breathtaking palette of twilight colors, deep blues, purples, and fiery oranges. As the moon hangs low on the horizon, it will appear enormous and golden, thanks to the famous moon illusion. This optical trick makes the moon look much bigger and more dramatic than when it's high overhead. And if clouds happen to spoil your view on one night, don't worry, you have a second chance to witness this celestial show the very next evening. For skywatchers, photographers, and anyone who loves a bit of natural wonder, this double feature is a dream come true. It's a rare event that invites everyone to pause and look up. So mark your calendar, gather your loved ones, and don't miss this memorable summer spectacle. A full moon that graces the night sky not just once, but twice, making for an unforgettable experience under the stars. Why doesn't the moon rise at the same time every night? It's a question that has fascinated skywatchers for centuries. If you've ever tried to catch the moon rising on consecutive nights, you might have noticed it never appears at exactly the same moment. Sometimes it's earlier, sometimes later, and the pattern can seem mysterious at first. The answer lies in the moon's constant motion. The moon is always moving in its orbit around Earth, tracing a path that's both beautiful and complex. Each day, as Earth spins on its axis, the moon has shifted a bit further along its orbital path. This means that, for us on the ground, Earth must rotate a little more each day to bring the moon back into view above the horizon. It's like trying to catch up with a friend who's always walking ahead of you. You have to go a bit farther each time. As a result, the moon rises about 50 minutes later each day, on average. This delay is a direct result of the moon's eastward journey around our planet. So, if you see the moon rise at 7 p.m. one night, you can expect it to appear around 7:50 p.m. the next night. This pattern continues throughout the month, shifting the moon's appearance later and later. This daily delay is part of the intricate cosmic dance between Earth and Moon, a dance that's been ongoing for billions of years. It's a rhythm that connects us to the universe in a subtle but profound way. But here's where it gets even more interesting. The delay isn't always exactly 50 minutes. Sometimes it's a bit more, sometimes a bit less. And there's a reason for that. The moon's orbit isn't a perfect circle, it's an ellipse slightly stretched out. Plus, the orbit is tilted compared to Earth's equator. These factors mean the moon's speed and position change throughout the month. Sometimes the moon is closer to Earth and moves a bit faster in its orbit. Other times it's farther away and moves more slowly. This affects how much later the moon rises each night. For example, around the August full moon, the delay between moonrises can shrink to just 30 to 40 minutes. This happens because of the unique geometry of the moon's orbit and its position relative to the sun and Earth at that time of year. That's why, in 2025, you'll see the moon rising close to sunset on 2 consecutive nights, a rare and beautiful double feature that's perfect for skywatchers and photographers alike. Understanding this celestial clockwork adds a new layer of wonder to moon watching. You're not just observing a distant object, you're witnessing the result of cosmic mechanics in action. Each changing moonrise is a reminder that we're part of a much larger universe, governed by patterns and cycles that have been unfolding for eons. The moon's shifting rise times are a beautiful, visible sign of the rhythms of our sky, a cosmic clock that anyone can watch, night after night. So this August, take a moment to look up and enjoy the show. You'll be witnessing the harmony of our solar system in real time, a spectacle that connects us all. To catch the Sturgeon Moon at its best, know your local moonrise time. The most dramatic view is right as the moon rises, when it looks biggest and glows orange or red through Earth's atmosphere. In New York City, on August 19th, sunset is at 7:48 p.m. and moonrise at 7:51 p.m., perfect timing for a twilight spectacle. On August 20th, sunset is at 7:46 p.m. and moonrise at 8:24 p.m., just 33 minutes later than the night before. Other cities follow a similar pattern: Chicago, Denver, Los Angeles, all with moonrises close to sunset. Check online for your exact local times. Find a spot with a clear eastern horizon. Parks, fields, or even a tall building window work well. Arrive early, get comfortable, and let your eyes adjust to the twilight. Watch the eastern sky for that breathtaking first glimpse. The rising moon is a moment you'll remember. Don't miss it. Why Sturgeon Moon? The name comes from the Algonquin tribes of the Great Lakes, who found giant sturgeon fish easiest to catch in August. The full moon lit up the lakes, helping fishermen spot these ancient, massive fish. European settlers adopted the name, and it stuck. thanks to publications like the Old Farmer's Almanac. The Sturgeon Moon connects us to a time when people lived by nature's cycles. When you look up, imagine those fishermen centuries ago, guided by the same moonlight. Sturgeon Moon isn't the only name for August's full moon. Many Native American tribes called it the green corn moon or corn moon, marking the ripening of crops. The barley moon signaled harvest time in English tradition. The Cree called it the flying up moon when young birds left their nests. The Anishinaabe named it the ricing moon for wild rice harvests. Some called it the lightning moon for summer storms. Each name tells a story about life, nature, and the season. You don't need fancy gear to enjoy the moon, just your eyes. Find a spot with a clear eastern view, away from city lights if possible. Bring a blanket or chair, snacks, and let your eyes adjust to the dark for 15-20 minutes. Avoid bright phone screens. Use a red flashlight if needed. Binoculars reveal lunar seas and craters, no need for anything expensive. Hold them steady, or use a tripod for a clearer view. If you have a telescope, use a moon filter to reduce glare and see more detail. The full moon can be bright, so filters help. Most importantly, just go outside and look up. Share the moment with friends or family. The magic is in the experience, not the equipment. Let curiosity guide you. Enjoy the show. North America gets the rare double moonrise at dusk in August 2025 thanks to perfect timing. In Europe and Africa, the full moon peaks in their evening, so they'll see it high in the sky on August 19th. In Asia and Australia, the full moon peaks during their daytime on August 20th, so their best view is that night. Everyone gets a beautiful full moon, but the double feature is unique to the Americas this year. It's a reminder that our view of the cosmos depends on where we are on Earth. As you watch, remember people worldwide are looking up at the same moon. We're all connected under one sky. The 2025 Sturgeon Moon is your chance to connect with the cosmos. 2 nights in a row. You've learned the science, the stories, and the best ways to watch. Now make a plan. Check your local moonrise time, find a good spot, and invite friends or family. As the golden moon climbs into the twilight, remember you're witnessing a dance billions of years old. This is a moment to pause, look up, and feel wonder. The Sturgeon Moon links us to our ancestors and to each other. Don't let this rare event pass you by. In our busy lives, take time to marvel at the universe. This August, let the Sturgeon Moon inspire you. Go outside, look up, and enjoy the magic. Happy moon gazing!